Good morning, guys. I hope you well slept because I'm not. It's the third night in a row where my sleep has been affected. I don't know why. I mean, I shouldn't have gotten up even today, like whatever, 6. I don't know, 4-5 hours, whatever I've slept. I don't know. I haven't slept well. And it's 10 o'clock right now. I've been up for a long while. I haven't eaten anything. I've just had a mango right now since morning. Last night I had dinner at 8 o'clock. It was almost lunch because I didn't have lunch. So I had 1.5 paratha with besan ki sabji. It's called galole. That was at 8 o'clock post the gym. And after that, during the show, about 10 something, I had a mushroom soup. So, I mean, ideally I had very light dinner considering the workout that I did, but my weight was not very satisfied. It was 60.9. I need to go under 60 by tomorrow, so I'm not eating anything, right? I just had a mango. I had booked a yoga class followed by a dance class, but I've cancelled the yoga class. I'm not going for the yoga class. I'll try to sleep for an hour. That's what I'll try to do. It's about 9:50 right now, so I'll try to sleep for at least 40-45 minutes. I'll try. So my sleep is like not happy with my sleep for the last 3 nights. Continuously it's been getting affected. So I'll try to sleep. Then I have a 90 minutes dance session, which is my favorite session of Cult altogether. So let's see the weight after that. But I'm really looking forward to the 90-minute dance session because it tests my heart, tests my stamina. It's 90 minutes of continuous dancing. So almost like few seconds break within songs, right? Sometimes that's not even there. So it's just 90 minutes of continuous dancing. So I'm gonna go in for that. It's at 11:30. So 11:30 to 1 I'm dancing. Now I'm gonna try to catch like 40-45 minutes of sleep. Then I have to go to a different center because these are weekend at Cult classes. So this one is happening in phase 1. So I have to drive there. I'm thinking if I should have something more, little more to eat, but I don't know. But I'm very sleepy and I have to dance for like 90 minutes. So I'll have a cup of black coffee before I leave. That might help. Okay. You guys have a good day and sleep well because sleep is very important for happiness. Okay. If you're not well slept, your health gets affected, your whole day gets affected, and you can't open your eyes while talking. Hey guys, so progress since morning. I'm back from the dance class. It was 11:30 to 1. It's 2:40 right now. So the class ended about 1:15. So I would have reached about 1:35, 1:40, and then I took a shower. So 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock I had my lunch. I didn't have breakfast. I skipped breakfast. My dinner last night was at 8 o'clock. So today, between 12 June and 30 June, I had my longest fast ever, I think in the history of my life, 18 hours. So I ate at 8 p.m. last night, the dinner, and I had my lunch at 2 p.m. That's 12 plus 6, 18 hours. Longest fast of my life. Longest fast ever of my life. And also, I'm happy to report that I have gone under 60 in weight. Woo! Woo! Whistle. I've been trying so hard for the last 6 months to hit 58, and it's taking forever. And I've been experimenting with all sorts of foods, diets, fasting, but I was not going under 60 for a long time. The last, I think, 2.5 months I've been struggling to go under 60. But when I came back from the dance class today, which was a 90-minute dance class, which has happened after a long time, and I've done it after 2 years. Yeah. My weight post the dance class was 59.9. Very just right under 60, but yes, I have gone under 60 kilos in weight. So since my target is 58, I just have less than 2 kilograms to lose now to hit my target of 50, and I think by the end of this month, considering whatever I'm doing seems to be working now, I'll reach there. I do think I'll reach there. Alright, so, but I'm very sleepy right now because my 3 nights I haven't slept. So I went for the dance class because I had to, but I'm very sleepy. So I'm gonna sleep for a while. Then I have one mic in the evening. Then I also have 2 shows in the evening. So 1, 2, 3 shows overall. 1 mic and 2 shows. I'm feeling a little happy because this is the goal I've been working. I'm gonna physically prove something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna prove that you can do a bunch of shit at 45, which people don't believe in. Cool. Hey guys, this is the second time I've come for this black coffee mic. Last time it started very late, so I had to leave without doing the spot. And there was a kids party last time here, and so it started very late. And I went without doing a spot. Today also it seems unlikely, and it's very far, right? It's painful. I mean, it's about 10 kilometers from where I live, and the road to come here is called Golf Course Extension Road. It's a really painful road. I mean, it's almost crowded, congested all the time. I was thinking last time I came on a Friday, it is really congested. Today I came on a Saturday. Today also Golf Course Extension Road is really congested. So and secondly, the reason I planned today was because I had to visit a podcast studio. Now the podcast studio guy hasn't responded to me today. So this whole planning today got wasted, and if I still go without doing a spot, I'll not be happy at all. Let's see. There are not a lot of people in the cafe. I hope the mic happens. If it doesn't happen, then this is the second time I'll be doing without a spot, and traveling so far. And Google Map also fucked me today. I fucking hate Google Map today. Like I'm supposed to take a right from an underpass, from a left on the side of the underpass, and it didn't tell me, right? And because of that, I had to drive like at least 2 extra kilometers to take a U-turn. Very irritated right now. Hey guys, I'm in the middle of the show. One show just happened. Somehow there were just 3 acts today. Manish, I and Pravit, and because there are only 3 acts and it's a 90-minute show, we're all doing 30 minutes each. And I did about 30-35 minutes. I lost track of time on stage, which is a really good thing. If you lose track of time on stage, or generally in life, you are having a good time. So I think I went on stage about 10:25 p.m. and when I saw the watch, it was almost 11. So I'd already done more than 30 minutes. So clearly, it just got proven that I'm a fucking seasoned comedian. I'm a seasoned comedian. I'm really good. So I just need to figure out how to make my videos go viral. But I am a really good comedian. I mean, I kicked ass with crowd work. I kicked ass with jokes. Everything kicked ass. So with 3 people, we did a really good show. So happy about that. So next show is about to start, and I'm starting the show. So let's see how that goes. Hey guys, a day review. I'm doing a day review from the green room right now because I just got off from the stage. I'm happy the 2 shows, both shows have gone well. I just got off the stage. Pretty good audience, both shows. I also did, the highlight of the day was I did a 90-minute dance class, which I've done after over 2 years, which has started after a long time at Cult. So I did that. So my heart is doing fine. I can dance for 90 minutes straight. I rested for a while because my sleep was lacking for the last few days, so I rested for an hour or so in the afternoon, so I didn't feel sleepy the rest of the evening, so I'm also happy about that. There's a bunch of administrative stuff to attend to, which I think I'll be able to attend to only on Monday, so fuck it. Otherwise, I think the day was fine. And Manish Chaubey is on stage, you can see that. That's Manish. That's how comedy works. So Manish is on stage right now. There's also Pravit. There's only 3 acts today, and so I hope you're feeling happy. I'm feeling all right. I keep listening to KK. Hum rahe na rahe kal, ye pal yaad aayenge. KK is dead, and we can all die anytime. So please live. Please live. Try to live, right? Please. Hope you're happy. Try to be happy.